Hello friends, welcome to A to Z Dentistry. This video focuses on important MCQs related to pulpal diseases. Pain of a tooth disappears when stimulus removed is a feature of necrotic pulp, normal pulp, reversible pulpitis, or reversible pulpitis. Reversible pulpitis. Reversible pulpitis characterized by short, sharp pain lasting for a moment, and pain is specific to stimulus and pain relieved on removal of stimulus. Pain increases as the patient lies down in acute pulpitis, chronic pulpitis, chronic hyperplastic pulpitis, focal reversible pulpitis. Acute pulpitis. In acute pulpitis, pain increases as the patient lies down. Pulpectomy is the treatment of choice in acute pulpitis. In case of pulp necrosis, the treatment advised is root canal treatment, pulp capping, pulpotomy to place bases beneath fillings. Root canal treatment. Organism not commonly survive in periapical lesions. Streptococcus, actinomyces, Pseudomonas, Porphyromonas. Pseudomonas. Acute periapical abscess and acute periodontal abscess would be differentiated through palpation, percussion test, pulp vitality test, none of the above. Pulp vitality test. Periodontal abscess is generally associated with vital tooth rather than non-vital tooth. So we can differentiate periodontal abscess and periapical abscess with pulp vitality testing. The best treatment for an acute apical abscess is root canal treatment, incision and drainage alone, pulp capping, sedative fillings. Root canal treatment. Cholesterol crystals present in which of the following fish zone? Zone of infection, zone of contamination, zone of irritation, zone of stimulation. Zone of irritation. Zones of periapical pathology described by fish. According to fish, 4 zones are present. Zone of infection characterized by polymorphonuclear leukocytes. Zone of contamination contains round cell infiltration. Zone of irritation characterized by macrophages and osteoclasts. Then cholesterol crystals are present in zone of irritation. Zone of stimulation characterized by fibroblast and osteoblast. Pulp polyp may arise in connection with pulp necrosis, acute pulpitis, chronic periapical lesion, chronic open pulpitis. Chronic open pulpitis. Pulp polyp, otherwise known as chronic hyperplastic pulpitis or pulpal hyperplasia. Periapical lesion contain bacteria within the lesion is periapical cyst, periapical abscess, periapical granuloma, condensing osteitis. Periapical abscess. Prolonged unstimulated night pain suggests reversible pulpitis, irreversible pulpitis, chronic periapical abscess, none of the above. Irreversible pulpitis. Type of efferent nerve fibers of pulp. Somatic motor, sympathetic postganglionic, parasympathetic postganglionic, both somatic and autonomic postganglionic fibers. Sympathetic postganglionic fibers. Most Commonly found organism in failed RCT cases. Streptococcus, Lactobacillus, E. faecalis, Fusobacterium. E. faecalis. Enterococcus faecalis is the most commonly found organism in failed RCT cases. Asymptomatic tooth has deep caries on occlusal surface. Radiograph shows radiopaque mass at tooth apex. Mass likely to be acute periodontitis, chronic periodontitis, cementoma, condensing osteitis. Condensing osteitis. Condensing osteitis, also known as chronic focal sclerosing osteomyelitis. Osteomyelitis begins as an inflammation of periosteum, medullary bone, cortical bone, inner cortex. Medullary bone. Osteomyelitis begins as an inflammation of medullary bone, and the earliest radiographic sign of osteomyelitis is blurring of trabecular outline. It's all about the topic pulpal diseases. See you with a new video. Thank you.